Minerals are the building blocks of the Earth, but did you know that minerals themselves are commonly made of shared building blocks? We can visualize the crystal structures of these minerals using a series of 3D printed building blocks called TotBlocks. In this video, we'll take a look at the Sepiolite Group, which comes from the Greek sepion, meaning cuttlebone, and lithos, meaning stone, after a perceived resemblance of the mineral to cuttlebone. Examples of Sepiolite Group minerals include sepiolite, lowlinite, and falcondilite. A clay-like variant of sepiolite called meerschaum, seafoam in German, is named this because it is commonly found floating in the Black Sea. Because of the mineral's low density and porous nature, smoking pipes, appropriately called meerschaum pipes, were constructed from this material. Here's the crystal structure of the Sepiolite Group, which consists of triple chains of TOT rod modules, which are linked by polysepal type linkages. Now, we'll take it apart. To learn how to build the component TOT modules of this structure, take a look at the Assembly of TotBlocks video in this series. To construct the Sepiolite structure, connect the T- of a TO- T module to the T+ of a TO+ T module. And then the T+ of the TO- T module to the T- of a TO+ T module. And this pattern can be continued as required to extend the structure. Here, a fourth TO- T module is connected to the TO+ T modules to complete the structure. As seen in the construction of protopyroxene, the O+ modules always link to the O- modules and vice versa, resulting in an alternating pattern. Similar to polygorskite, the polysepal type linkage in sepiolite is strained due to the bond angles connecting the silica tetrahedra. This favors the growth of fibrous crystals extending along the lengths of the modules and inhibits the growth of visible crystals, making the mineral exhibit clay-like properties. Using sepiolite as an example, the silicon fits into these tetrahedral red sites, and magnesium will fit into these yellow or green octahedral sites. There are also some water molecules that fit in the channel spaces between the TOT modules. In this video, we've explored the crystal structure of sepiolite and briefly discussed its clay-like nature and usage in smoking pipes.